भक्ति योग श्लोक संग्रह ध्यान श्लोक ऑल टुगेदर। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। अथ श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु भक्तियोगश्लोकसङ्ग्रहः। श्रीभगवानुवाच चतुर्विधा भजन्ते मां जनाः सुकृतिनोऽर्जुन। आर्तो जिज्ञासुरर्थार्थी ज्ञानी च भरतर्षभ। तेजः क्षमा धृतिः शौचम् अद्रोहो नातिमानिता। भवन्ति सम्पदं दैवीम् अभिजातस्य भारत। दम्भो दर्पोऽभिमानश्च क्रोधः पारुष्यमेव च अज्ञानं चाभिजातस्य पार्थ सम्पदमासुरीं। दैवी सम्पद्विमोक्षाय निबन्धायासुरीमता। मा शुचः सम्पदं दैवीम् अभिजातोऽसि पाण्डव। नातोऽसि मम दिव्यानां विभूतीनां परन्तप। एष तुद्देशतः प्रोक्तः विभूतेर्विस्तरो मया। यद्यद्विभूतिमत्सत्त्वं श्रीवदूर्जितमेव वा तत्तदेवावगच्छत्वं मम तेजोंशसम्भवम्। मय्येव मन आधत्स्व मयि बुद्धिं निवेशय। निवसिष्यसि मय्येव अत ऊर्ध्वन्न संशयः। अर्जुन उवाच एवमेतद्यथा तत्त्वम् आत्मानं परमेश्वर। द्रष्टुमिच्छामि ते रूपम् ऐश्वरं पुरुषोत्तमा। श्रीभगवानुवाच न तु मां शक्यसे द्रष्टुम् अनेनैव स्वचक्षुषा। दिव्यं ददामि ते चक्षुः पश्य मे योगमैश्वरम्। सञ्जय उवाच एवमुक्त्वा ततो राजन् महायोगेश्वरो हरिः दर्शयामास पार्थाय परमं रूपमैश्वरम्। अर्जुन उवाच किरीटिनं गदिनं चक्रिणं च तेजोराशिं सर्वतो दीप्तिमन्तम्। पश्यामि त्वां दुर्निरीक्ष्यं समन्तात् दीप्तानलार्कद्युतिमप्रमेयम्। अदृष्टपूर्वं हृषितोऽस्मि दृष्ट्वा भयेन च प्रव्यथितं मनो मे। तदेव मे दर्शय देवरूपं प्रसीद देवेश जगन्निवास। श्रीभगवानुवाच
I will chant, please repeat it after me. Sudurdharshamitam rupam दृष्टवानसि यन्मम सुदुर्दर्शमिदं रूपं दृष्टवानसि यन्मम देवाप्यस्य रूपस्य नित्यं दर्शनकाङ्क्षिणः देवाप्यस्य रूपस्य नित्यं दर्शनकाङ्क्षिणः Now the whole shloka. Shri Bhagavanuvāca Sudurdarshamidam Rūpam Drishtavānasi Yanmama Devāpyasya Rūpasya Nityam Darshana Kāṅkṣinaha.
Shri Bhagavanuvāca Sudurdarshamidam Rūpam Drishtavānasi Yanmama Devāpyasya Rūpasya Nityam Darshana Kāṅkṣinaha. Sudurdarshamidam Rūpam Drishtavānasi Yanmama Devāpyasya Rūpasya Nityam Darshana Kāṅkṣinaha.
Esteemed friends, in the society today, we have many speakers, very few sadhakas. We have plenty of preachers, very few practitioners. We have more hypocrites. We speak something, we do something else. That is the state of affairs in the society today. Very rarely we find good people, honest people, people of integrity, piety, purity are very rare. Atma Vishuddhaye, first qualification for yoga is purity. Shaucha. In Patanjali you find Shuchi, Shubhrata, Bahya, Antargata, both purity. Very rare nowadays. I have come across one such gentleman. Very rare such people are Bihar School of Yoga, Swami Niranjanananda. Very pious person, one of the stalwart sannyasis, a great sage, an exemplary sadhaka, a very pious person. He is expected here tomorrow for our Maitri Milan. He is self-disciplined and he appreciates discipline. In the outside world, Prashant Kutir is known for its excellent discipline. The students of Yasvyasa are known for their excellent purity and discipline. You are considered to be great yogis and yoginis, all divine people seated here, all angels, devatas seated here, and he expects very good discipline. Repeatedly our registrar, deputy registrar, they both have been telling it is a time to exhibit our discipline, show our purity. Please see that nobody comes late tomorrow before he arrives. If it is a minister, there will be police people. If there is a governor, there will be police people. For Swamis and Sannyasis, there will be no police people to come ahead, and he will be coming. He is expected to arrive, and therefore I request every member of this university to make use of his presence, to seek his blessings. He is expected here tomorrow for our Maitri Milan. I repeatedly request every student to be present on time and to listen to him. Every word is a drop of amrutam from his mouth. Let us make use of his stay. Let us make use of his arrival. Let us make use of his presence. Hari Om Tat Sat.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति।